Why you always find the result after one click? So that's the reason why I will visit the Google Center to find an answer. Firstly, I want to introduce you to Mr. Brain, one of the person who established the Google. Hello, Mr. Brain. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell our audience and me know about the Google history?
Okay, as you know, Google is becoming popular, and Google page began in March in 1996. It was Larry Page and my project, and when we built it when we were PhD students at Stanford, and were working on the Stanford digital library project, and the research engine we used it on the website of Stanford is google.stanford.edu, and after that we on the 15th of September in 1997 we registered google.com, and 1 year later we opened Google Inc. On 4th of September in 1998 at our friend's garage at Menlo Park of California. During the period of Google development, we faced a lot of difficulties. Nobody was interested in our project, and we hadn't any money. And fortunately, we have a lot of good friends. They have helped me and learned so much. And we lived by credit cards of theirs. And after that, we should change our minds. We had good idea to online advertise on the website, and we have a lot of success. And up to now, we have 19 million to 180 million dollars per year, and up to 2009 we have 6.5 billion dollars profits, and we own some famous companies, for example YouTube. Do you know YouTube? And Technique on the double click, and so on.
So who is the largest competitor of Google?
We have two largest. It is they are Yahoo and Bing.
Yeah. So you have to get the successful. You have to try a lot, and I'm sure that your technology is maybe much different with the right?
It is good. Now let Dr. Thang will introduce some information. How does Google work? Okay.
Please wait a moment. Doctor, are you working?
You are better.
Wait a year.
Oh.
Wait a year. Hi everybody. I would like to
it's not easy for me to explain how the Google works because it's very difficult. So I will make it simple. Make it simple list so you can understand or something I'm not sure about some of this process. Firstly, if you and someone want to find information or want to ask something and you don't know something, you want to search information on the internet, so you go to google.com and you type your question in google.com. So when you click to search, Google web server receives your question, and then Google web server or librarian firstly add cluster. Cluster is is a lot of computers, a lot of server. Google web server adds cluster. That's the reason has already on cluster. Cluster can reply yes or no. If no, Google web server adds to mixer. Then mixer one computer in mixer. One computer in mixer answer that I have 70 bits here, and another says that I have 40 bits here, and total about the question is around 4,000 bits or 4,000 results. Then when we have 4,000 results or 4,000 result bits, mixer as the haystack or the guess is one part of Google that you have to build the result page for user. Then haystack and guess build a result page with most important page in the most important page first. Then the less important page is a slide. All of the process here is take about 90 milliseconds. So I describe about 2 minutes, but when you search in Google, you can get the result in maybe in 30 seconds, 30 seconds to 40 seconds. And one more thing, if you have a website and you want other people can search the website in Google, firstly you have to let Google know the website. So you have to go to Google app and you add the website URL to Google app. So everyone can find your website on the internet by Google.
Thank you. So as you know, Google is a famous brand name. So what did they do with the marketing projects? Please here to Mrs. Bella Swan. I'm marketing manager. As you know, Google is a multinational public cloud computing and international technologies corporation. And Google has many benefits in modern society. However, the most important thing to consider is the search engine. The Google web search engine is the company's most popular service. According to market research, Google is a dominant search engine in United States. In the United States market, with a market share 65.6%, and Google indexes billions of web pages
example, as Mr. Tang said before, if you want, for example, if you want to search the information about some universities in Australia, that's very simple. You just type some keywords on Google page, and then after that you will have a list of links which are related to the universities you find. And when you click one link, you will have all the information. And in addition to that, some applications of Google, Google Video, Google Maps, Google Translate, Gmail, and so on. For example, Google Video allows users to upload, watch, and search video from internet. Google Translate can translate 35 different languages to each other, and forming about 595 language pairs. However, translation in Google is not always correct. It's not translated word by word, and because time is limited, so I just show you some benefits of Google. If you want to have more information, please contact with us by email. And in conclusion, we have provided you some information about history, process, and benefits of Google. And do you have any questions for our group?
Thầy nói
Now.